Happy Monday. That was a pretty good day today. I missed my good play that I really wanted. NVDA right off the open started dropping. Just before open, actually. Came down to that gap fill from Friday's close. Just like last Monday, actually. Check out the video of that. It was beautiful. Got in on that entry. Missed it today. But I caught the 3-minute opening range break of it to the upside. Made a little money there. Then made some money on the Qs. That was good. How'd y'all do? You did good today? Let me know in the comments below what you caught. If you get that NVIDIA play, let me know what you did. I believe in you. Bye. NVIDIA pulled right back up. SPY's pumping now. Qs didn't drop as much as I thought.
Yeah, Q's kind of stayed in a bit of a range there, right?
Yeah.
Nothing really dropped, except, well, AMD dropped more than I thought. But nothing else did.
All right, I'm going to load up some NVIDIA calls, though. See if it breaks this. I'm not confident on them now. Yeah, see, it's already dropping. All right. Just in case, some 612.5 calls. Yeah, all right, I'm in. 612.5 calls. I'm already in the negative, like a few $100. Just pull back right away. There we go. Pumping.
Nice.
All right, NVIDIA. Push.
Yeah. Oh, my goodness. QQQ just broke through my line that's been messing around for a couple of days now.
Order partially filled. Order filled.
Just trimming a bit. Not
Nice.
amazing, but not too bad either. Try to let this one run a bit more today. Yeah, I'm getting out.
Order partially filled.
Woof.
Order filled.
Oh.
Still green, but
That turns not on.
yeah.
Yeah.
It started. Oh fuck! Now it's going again. Of course.
The hell?
I think I'm too jittery this morning. Shit.
Yeah, I'm feeling that too. Like, that's why I haven't pulled the trigger on anything. I was probably better off just to be patient.
Yeah.
Order partially filled.
Do it
Order
again.
filled.
All right. I don't know what to think of QQQ and SPY doing different things again here.
Order partially filled.
All right.
Order partially filled.
Oh, come on. Nice pump there.
Order
Feeling
filled.
out. Yeah. Not too bad. Keeping it light again today.
Mm-hmm. Nice. I was watching my AMD level. I got it wrong by $1.
That'll happen.
Did what I thought it would do, but my level was way higher than the actual bounce.
Order partially filled. Order filled.
Grab a little bit more. Oh yeah. There we go.
Order partially filled. Order filled.
I got 5 left on NVIDIA. I'm just gonna see what happens. Gotta let them run. They're only up 5% because this is like the second move I got in super late because I chickened out and sold that other stuff.
Story of my life.
Oh my god. The Matt sell indicator. Fucking rips.
Always.
All right, I'm out of
Order
this.
filled.
There you go. These calls are tempting me. Ooh.
Q's still.
Yeah. Pulling up.
Oh, it's not a really nice
Oh.
looking flag.
Fuck. I'm gonna grab those 425 calls.
Order
Q's,
partially
yeah.
filled.
Yeah.
Order filled.
On cues. Do I want to add to this? No, it doesn't look great. No, we're still above on the 5 minute. Alright. Not bad, actually. I think we'll be alright.
That 424 lines up with pre-market low.
Mm-hmm.
What else?
Just below it, 20 cents at 423.8. You got yesterday's close. It's a good little spot.
Mm-hmm.
Might get down there before it pops up.
That's true, yeah.
And then I've got some levels marked below that at 423.50 and 423.19. Kind of a range.
Oh, okay.
I'll be
Yeah,
deep in the
yeah,
red
yeah.
though if I let it go down there.
Oh, no, that'd be gnarly.
Yeah.
Because then the next is 422.30, it's looking like.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I can't go down that far. I should technically get out here. Smooth is down for 10% right now.
That's nasty, nasty.
Not the account, just the play itself.
Yeah, just that play itself, yeah.
Order partially filled.
Adding
Order filled.
right at this prior day close.
Here we go.
All right, I'm still in the red, but we're pulling up.
Yeah.
If I can get VWAP, that'd be nice. Oh yeah, here we go. Here we go.
I'm in 2.
I'm getting out.
Order partially filled.
You're getting out.
Order
Yeah.
filled.
Oh man, what a bad fill. Oh well. Still
Oh,
made,
no, really?
still made a bit.
Nice.
It went up to 1,000, and then I sold all of them, and I only got 490.
Oh, that's mean.
Yeah. Can't complain though.